got another 24kGoldn lesson for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Valentino. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an A minor chord. So for this, you're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and you're going to bar the G, B, and high E strings on the 5th fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to pluck the D string, B string, G string, high E string, then G string, D string, B string, high E string. Then you can do that again. Next is a D minor chord. So you're going to leave your ring finger and pointer finger where they are, and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 7th fret of the G string and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string, and you're going to do the same picking pattern again. Next is an E minor chord. So you're just going to take the D minor chord and move it up 2 frets, and you're going to do the same finger picking or the same picking pattern again. Then back to the A minor chord, and we're going to do the same picking pattern again. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Valentino. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.